Ali here. Welcome to my channel Solid Trade. So I've been using Thinkorswim software for TD Ameritrade for about 3 to 4 years now, and it could be a pretty challenging software to learn, and there's so many cool things in this software. So I thought I might as well just have 5 cool things or tips and tricks that could really help you boost your trading and really help you how to use this software more efficiently. Alright, and if you like this video, make sure you comment or subscribe or like this channel so that I know if you like it, and then if you want me to make a whole tutorial on Thinkorswim, I will be more than happy to do it. Alright, so let's get into it. First cool thing that I really recently found out actually was this shortcut button on the tools section. So normally if I want to create a trend line or if I want to draw something, I would go to this drawing tools, drawing here, and then click here and then click the line, and then I would draw this trend line, okay, or I would draw this, okay, like normal simple support and resistance. But every time I have to go, I will click here drawing and then click the drawing tools if I want to select something else, right? However, I just recently found out that you can just click this mouse button or just click here and it will automatically open up your drawing tools. So it's really cool. I use this for price action. So sometimes I select the price where it tells me the price is, or if I want to select here, I can simply right click, or if I want to just click here and write something, right, just make a note, right, so I can put a note here, or if I want to just go back to normal, if I can use the hand, simply, just really easy. If I want to use the circle, whatever you want to use it for, if I want to use the box, right, make whatever drawings on it if you want, but idea is that you can just simply click on it and boom. Bonus on it, if you just simply right click and hit clear drawing set, it will clear all the drawings that you get, and again the chart looks back to normal. Okay, all right, so number 2, I love this feature. So I like to trade based on support and resistance. So simply if the stock comes back down to support, okay, so for example, there's a really good chance that AMD is going to come down to this support, okay, and then go. But normally what happens when the stock comes down to support, it quickly goes up, okay, and I miss it. So what I can do is I can simply right click here and set what I say, create alert, okay, and as soon as the price comes at 88, whatever this price is, right, and I hit create, it will put an alert here. So as soon as the price comes down and hits this level, I will immediately get a text or email, okay, and I will know exactly the prices here at this point. If you don't have it set up yet, how you want to set up your email or phone number, you simply go to here setup, and you go to application settings, and you make sure under notifications you have your phone number and email set up. If not, then simply hit add and then put your phone number there and hit apply settings. What we'll do is that anytime the price comes to your alert, simply you'll get a text or your email. So I can simply create an alert here, I can simply create here and hit create alert, and then I just say price. If it comes back to 74.84 or below, send me alert. So now we'll just, alright, so number 3 is that I teach a lot here and I want to keep my account to private. So here you see how it's in stars and my account number is not showing up, so I can actually do a video and it doesn't go public. The way you do is you simply click here and then you go hit privacy. Okay, well here you can see my account, but if you hit privacy, it's not going to show up anymore. Okay, so my account's going to be hidden and you cannot see how much money I have and stuff like that. So just for good privacy, so simply click here and hit privacy, hit this button, and it will open up or it will go away. Number 4 is something that I think is going to be really helpful to you. So for example, here when I have this price selected, what it does is when I click on it, I can just simply put a line and it tells me what price I created this line at, okay. However, if you right click on it and hit edit properties and simply just turn this extension on and then make it as default and hit save, now just simply double click and it will put a price on it. That's it. So you can simply find support or resistance by just double click on it and boom, done. Let me show you one more time. So simply right click on the line, edit properties, and make sure your extensions are on and then save it as default. boom, every time you click on it, and there it is. Okay, similar thing works for this trend line. So you know how I'm drawing this whole line, make sure that your extensions are on. Extension on, left extension on for your trend line. That way when you draw a trend line, it completely draw a complete trend line. Because if it's not on, what's going to happen is like this, off, off. So now when I draw a trend line, look, it only draws like this, right? It only draws like this. Doesn't draw completely. So because you want to make sure that when you draw, you want to draw it completely so that you know what's going to happen in the future as well. Okay, so very cool trick. Simply to go down, hit edit properties, and then go on, and save it as default, and boom, it's going to go all the way. Okay, number 5, clean up charts. So you see how here I like everything clean as possible. Okay, all these lines in the background I want it completely clean. So what you do is you just simply go here and you go to appearance and you make sure that your grid is off, background is pitch black. I like it black. You can turn it white or whatever the color you want, and then you go to time axis and you just show lines, make all unchecked. Once you do that, boom, completely clean. Now look how clean it looks once you draw your support resistance. You see how clean it looks now? Okay, or I can simply click here, go to my price, and I can double click on it, and it will tell me the price, and there it is. That's how quickly I'm able to do the technical analysis when I'm trading. And I'll quickly throw a bonus here, which is the number 6, is the linking process. So here, normally when you're gonna have your charts open for the first time, or if you don't know about it, you cannot click Apple or Tesla or MU or Square or Zoom, and it would not open the charts respectively. But if you make sure that on your watch list, it's the link here is same color. So under link, you hit red. Here you hit red. So now it knows if you click Apple, boom, oh, Apple opens. If you hit Tesla, Tesla opens. If you hit AMD, AMD opens. If you hit MU, any stock that you open it automatically, so you can really quickly do analysis and quickly look at the charts. All right. Okay, now, so there's so many other things that I can show you, little cool things, or if you're completely new to Thinkorswim and you're trying to learn, make sure you let me know by liking this video and subscribe to this channel, and let me know in the comment below, hey, Ali, I want to learn more about this, and I will be thrilled to do a video on a complete Thinkorswim tutorial. All right, guys, take care. Bye.